Let's raise anchor with this tailwind. The brain can't distinguish between reality and imaginary, so why don't we use this to manifest what we want? We'll start with some science behind why vision boards work. Don't worry, this is science made simple while we learn some key words, including manifest, reality threshold, and body transference. Manifest has a lot of different meanings. My favorite shouldn't be a surprise. A ship's manifest was a list of crew, cargo, and passengers. Other definitions include display or show by one's acts, demonstrate. There's also its meanings to make something clear or obvious, to be evidence of or prove. Another definition is to appear or make real. When brought together as we make our vision boards, a manifest is also a promise to yourself. What are you signing on for? What are you bringing with you? What are you about to prove to yourself and make real? Science supports methods to manifest our success that we often discount out of hand. You'll understand that pun shortly. Let's look at both neuroscience and psychology, starting over 100 years ago. In 1910, psychologist Mary Perky conducted a study on perception. Her experiment concluded that when the body receives visual stimuli that matches what participants are told to imagine, they believe what they see is imaginary. Leap forward to 1998, and an experiment conducted by Botvinnik and Cohen in the area of neuroscience established the idea of body transference. In an experiment called the rubber hand illusion, participants transferred their feelings of body ownership into an object, literally a rubber hand. A short tactile stimulation activity convinced their minds that the rubber hand was an extension of their own body. They responded to what happened to that object as if it were happening to their actual bodies. So, when heat, cold, and pain were applied to the fake limb, their mind felt the sensations. We rarely mistake the images running through our imaginations as perceptions of reality. However, the same areas of the brain process both. The idea of the reality threshold was introduced in March of 2023. Our brains are monitoring reality to judge whether a mixture of perception and imagery crosses a line that makes us believe it's real. What the sciences are telling us is that the mind can't distinguish on its own what is real and what isn't. This is why what goes on in our minds is a powerful predictor of what we make real. A quick word of awareness for us all as we create our vision boards. Minds are so diverse that some people can't think in words. Others can't pull up visuals in a mind's eye. As we gather as a crew, these different abilities are what will make all our creations stronger. When I use the term visualize as mental work, we can explore in a broader scope as needed. Overall, what this information means for creating vision boards is that our creations have research behind them. They're practical ways for science to partner with self-confidence, self-worth, and self-compassion.